We take you from human hands to robotic grippers in just 5 days. We make the robot installation and integration easy for you. We cover all the details. Need a mist collector? We've got you. Automatic door opener? Pneumatic or servo? We do it all so you don't have to. Your time is simply too valuable to orchestrate the installation. Let us do what we do best so you can do what you do best. You've got a machine shop to run. Going from human hands to robotic grippers in just 5 days isn't magic. The magic happens once the robot is working. Yeah, the robot tends the CNC machine, but it changes so many parts of your business. Quoting gets faster and more accurate. Getting new customers is easier. Profits improve. Even recruiting is easier. That's not us saying this. That's what our customers tell us. To learn more about how easy it is to go from human hands to robotic grippers in just 5 days, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. Robojob USA, first in CNC automation.